We're here at Menards, here in Kearney, Nebraska. Check out what we have here. It's actually a dodo. Lions, I think. There's a certificate up there. There's no branding on it. I honestly think this is the Lions. It's a pretty nice elevator. I think they installed this like in 2020. Because I definitely do remember when they were installing this thing. I thought it was a Schumacher. Actually, seeing this thing in person, it actually is a Lions. Anyway, there's the floor indicator, capacity 4,500. Innovation universal buttons. Excuse me. That lovely sauce. There we go. Nice. Anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.